To edit this template, simply move the cursor toward the shape. Select the node point in the direction you want the new shape, and it will provide you with the option to add any relevant shape you want. Within a mere 50 milliseconds, users form opinions about a website, underscoring the pivotal role of design and performance in shaping perceptions. Consequently, predicting user flow becomes integral to improving website performance, making user flow diagrams essential tools for professionals in this dynamic landscape. In today's video, we'll delve into user flow diagrams, understanding their importance, key rules for creating them, and the effortless process of crafting one using Venngage. Let's get started. A user flow diagram is a visual representation that outlines the steps a user takes to complete a specific task or achieve a particular goal within a system or application. It is a type of diagram commonly used in user experience or UX design to illustrate the user's journey through a product or service. A use flow diagram gives benefits in clarity of user journey, communication and collaboration among team members, identifying opportunities for optimization, validation of design decisions, and much more. The 5 most basic symbols used in user flow diagrams are circles, to signify entry and endpoints, lozenges, as an alternative to circles, rectangles, to indicate process or action steps taken by users, diamonds, to signal user choice or decision points, arrows, to denote connections between elements or the flow's direction. Due to the complexity of multiple user paths and branching scenarios, constructing a user flow diagram from the ground up is a challenging endeavor. This is where Venngage proves invaluable. At Venngage, we provide a diverse range of pre-designed user flow diagrams tailored for various purposes, including app user flow, web user flow, UAT process flow, traveling service user flow, financial service user flow, order processing user flow diagrams, and more. Creating a user flow diagram involves several steps a user takes to accomplish a specific task. First, define goal or task. Clearly state the specific goal or task your user flow will illustrate. Second, identify user steps. Break down the user's journey into individual steps from start to goal achievement. Third, map user paths. Identify different paths users might take, considering decision points and branches. Fourth, include UI elements. Add representations of user interface elements to enhance clarity. Fifth, review and iterate. Gather feedback, review with stakeholders, and iterate on the diagram for accuracy. Sixth, use visualization tools. Utilize tools like Vengage's User Flow Diagram Maker for efficient creation. Consider this template as an example. The headline is positioned at the top, clearly stating the purpose of this diagram. Icons are incorporated at each step, enhancing the visual experience of the diagram from the very beginning. Rectangles represent process or action steps taken by users. Diamonds indicate user choice or decision points, and arrows denote connections between elements. To edit this template, simply move the cursor toward the shape. Select the node point in the direction you want the new shape, and it will provide you with the option to add any relevant shape you want. Now, double-click to add text and change icon. Similarly, you can add as many steps as needed to make your user flow diagram as descriptive as possible. I hope you have gained valuable insights into user flow diagrams. Explore Vengage's template library today and create your user flow diagram for free. Share your creations with us and we'll feature you on our social media. Don't forget to follow us for regular updates. Until next time, happy charting.